Shit's crazy. It's just raining in this one spot. Look, that's it.
This is crazy. You see how it's a sunny day on this side of the house? All right, check this out. Hold on. Oh, what a beautiful day.
Devil beat his wife, what they always told me. There, guess who I seen today, man?
It's raining right here clearly, but then it's not raining at all right there. We're in the middle of like, the rain just cuts off literally right there.
Florida Weatherby Lake.
It's raining. It's only
No rain. We look across the street at the cornfield. It's raining.
It's raining sideways.